What's up? It's your girl Queen Jones, back live in the flesh. And yes, I've got something to try to eat on camera. I never be doing this. So this is something different. Something I'm excited for, because who's ever had a lemon plum? Yeah, you heard right, a lemon plum. That's why it's yellow like that. Put that right there. Just like that, baby. Alright, I'm gonna clean this off. And we're gonna start the tasting of it. If my family comes in, you know what's them. This is Rebel Green vegetable spray. Highly recommend it. You just gotta like literally spray it on, and then it's like done. Rinse it in some water. Boom. Alright. Take your sticker off. And did you know technically these stickers are edible? Ain't nobody trying to eat them though. So I just turned up some water for some spaghetti. So for my pasta specifically. Alright. So multitasking. Alright, so here we are. Close up. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Tastes nothing like lemon. I'm getting straight plum notes off of this. Okay. So this lemon plum is strictly called a lemon plum because of its color, not its flavor. It just gives me light tang plum vibe. Not lemony citrus vibes at all. None of that. Oh. It's good, but no lemon. Good as cow. But yeah, so I tried it. Out of the lemoniness, I give it like a 0. But for plum quality, I give it an 8 or 9. Something I can be down with. Something I can dig. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to try it on film because when I went to American Food Basket and I got it, I was like, this is gonna taste like lemon though. And it's pretty standard plum. But now you know, when you get a lemon plum, it don't taste like lemon. It's just yellow. And that is that. straight off the work on a Monday. Wait, am I doing it in Monday? Bye.